They said if I can speed it up a little bit, because they got a...
At 2:15?
At 2:30?
You got 45 minutes.
45 minutes,
It's
yeah.
1:41.
Yeah.
45 minutes to knock out 2 cars.
2 cars, yeah.
You crazy, Eddie. What's up, everybody? Thank you for coming to another detailing video. Today I got the homie Eddie. How you doing today, Eddie?
Doing good. How about yourself, Reyes?
I'm doing all right, man. So, what are we getting to work today?
2 shop cars, 1 truck, 1 engine bay detail, and then we're gonna do a foam wash on a 2013 Mustang.
But we're in a little rush.
Yeah.
Yeah, the owner has to leave.
The owner has to leave. He's got to be there by 2:30, 2:45. They're gonna do some dyno testing on the Mustang, so we got to get it in there quick and knock it out.
What's dyno testing?
So they put a OBD2 reader under the car or where the OBD2 port goes, and then they're gonna go and test it on the street, make some pulls, and then they're gonna get some calibration on it, and then just tune it from there.
All right, where do you guys go? I didn't know that. I don't know a lot about cars, Eddie.
Oh man, well, I'll show you. All
right, let's get started. You ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Let's go. All right, Eddie. So, hey, how'd you get this customer?
So I've been doing this customer for a long time, man. I've been doing this truck for 4 or 5 years on and off, you know. He was one of my first customers when I started, and I just, you know, keep maintaining it. And we ceramic cut a long time ago, and I stopped detailing for a while, so I got back into it, and, you know, he got busy with life and work, and so did I. And so now I'm mobile, and now we're back. You know, we're gonna service his truck again, give him a weekly maintenance. And then,
so you mentioned you pretty much were on and off with detailing?
Yeah, I was on and off with detailing because I had to, you know, struggle with my job and full-time job and having a kid too. So it's kind of hard to go mobile and have 2 jobs and a kid. And
hey, so the job you have, we're not gonna say where you live. But yo, you're making big bucks, Eddie. $31 an hour?
Yeah, I make something light.
But
something light.
Okay, but here's the thing. You want to do your own business.
Yeah, I want to get mine.
What's stopping you from going full time?
My main concern is steady income, steady flow. I just don't want to leave a good career job, you know, to open my mobile detailing business. I do want to, but it's just that comfort. I don't want to get out of that comfort zone just yet. I want to, you know, I'm testing waters. I just opened this last year, so I'm building up the clientele. So if, you know, it goes and we boom, then you never know. We might just quit and then school all out.
So what I'm hearing is that you want to give it a little bit more time with the detailing. See how it grows, and then you'll decide what you're gonna do.
Yeah, I want to, you know, get some numbers down and make sure it fits my budget. And then if it does, then, you know, we're gonna go all out.
Hey, Eddie, why are you moving so fast, bro?
I mean,
I know we're Mexican, bro, but you're killing it too fast.
Just because I like to. These guys got to get out of here at 2:30.
Oh, dang.
Yeah, so I like to, they said if I can speed it up a little bit, because they're a Mustang shop, so they're going to tune some cars right now, and they're going to close the shop for a little bit.
At 2:15?
At 2:30?
You got 45 minutes.
45 minutes,
It's 1:41.
Yeah.
45 minutes to knock out 2 cars.
2 cars, yeah.
You're crazy, Eddie. But they're just exterior?
Just exterior washes.
So would you consider this a maintenance?
Yeah, maintenance. I usually maintenance these trucks every 2 weeks. Depending if they go racing, then I come every week. But just depending on the situation and how hard they drive them.
For the people that don't know, man,
yes, sir.
How long you been in business?
I've been in business since 2015, but I used to do it out of my house. I was never mobile. Everybody would bring me their cars, family, friends, people from work. So just last year, I decided to go mobile just because I felt it was a smarter move to expand my business, to grow as an individual. and to just be the detailer that people couldn't get from my house, and I could go to them now, because I knew a lot of people have their own jobs and they got to do their Monday through Friday or Monday through Sunday, and I knew if I go to them, it would give them an easier peace at mind that they could get the same service from me going to their house, doing the same job. But if they had other things going on, I could service their cars without them having to drive to me.
All right, man. So the next question is, you were doing it from your house for about 5 years, part-time.
Yes, sir.
Because you do have a full-time job.
Yeah, I do have a full-time job.
And then you started being mobile about a year ago.
About a year ago.
Has it brought you more business or the same?
You know what?
Be honest, Eddie. Give it to me,
I'm
raw,
gonna be honest.
bro.
It gave me a lot more business with bigger vehicles that I couldn't fit in my garage. So semi-trucks, trailers, RVs, boats. So business like that I couldn't do or fit in my house, I could do it at the comfort of their own home. And so that's where a lot of my business is at right now. Semi-trucks, big trailers, big equipment, big tractors. So we do it all.
All right, Eddie, I have another question for you.
All right.
All right, so you just went mobile a year ago.
Yes, sir.
Was there something you were not expecting or that caught you off guard from being mobile? Maybe the expenses, the equipment, maybe how fast business grew?
Something that caught me off guard was gas. Gas, from how expensive it was from last year to this year.
Yeah?
And and I drive a V8, you know, so.
That red truck over there?
Yeah.
It seems like a gas hog, bro.
It's a gas hog, so.
What do you get, 5 miles per gallon or what?
Just about. It seems like it. About 9, but eventually I want to get a smaller truck and downsize on the truck. I mean, if the gas keeps getting higher and higher.
Yeah.
But.
Hey, why not go with one of those traditional cargo vans?
You know what? I just wanted to. I'll tell you this, because when I don't want to take my detailing van anywhere, and I want to have my truck for the weekends and enjoy my truck for what it is, then I can just unload my trailer and take it off and go out on the weekend, you know, and have your truck. And because I feel like if I have a dedicated work van, that's just going to be dedicated to go to work.
Yo, Eddie, you're knocking this out fast, man.
Thanks,
15
brother.
minutes already.
Yeah, I'm trying to. These guys got to get out and go test some cars, so
Got it.
I had to give them a little express wash, you know.
Oh, it is
Faster than usual, because I mean, sometimes, you know, you gotta compensate for what they gotta do too. And since you're a mobile detailer, you know, sometimes people just gotta do things and they gotta go. So we try to work as fast as we can.
I got you. So what's left over here?
So it's less. I'm just gonna wipe the wheels, wipe the motor, shine the motor, and that's it.
Have some technical difficulties over here?
Yeah, I just bought these new sprayers, but sometimes they get air in them, and you know, see what happens when you get stuff like this. You always gotta have backup.
That's right, man. Backup.
You know, and if that one probably just caught air and got stuck, then we get another one.
Got it.
You always gotta have 3 or 4.
Yeah. Has anything ever happened to you like that? Where something broke? Or
I've had the pressure washer. Sometimes they get air in the line. Depends how empty. You don't want to leave it empty, because if you do leave it empty, you run into issues like what I had right now. You had an issue where the sprayer didn't work, but you just got to keep spraying it, and eventually it'll catch prime again.
Got it.
So you just have to be prepared for everything.
Yeah.
So that's why we got 3 of each products, and we always have 5 gallons behind my truck of whatever product you need, and we always have extra sprayers. So I mean, you won't have an issue working here.
applying over here, Eddie?
So this is I use bare bones. It's kind of like an undercarriage spray, and it has a little bit of like a water beating property. So when the water hits it, it kind of beads off. So I like to just rub it on all the plastics, rubber hoses, anything that touches the water, and it kind of, when next time the water hits it, it has pretty much water beating. So and it kind of repels dirt, repels a lot of dust that accumulates. So you kind of want to put this on so it doesn't really, next time you pop open your hood or anything, you don't get all that dust and grime so fast and that buildup, because it kind of has like a little layer of protection. So I use it for all the rubber and plastics, and it gives it a nice shine, and it does something good for it. Lasts, and it has a lot of little good things that other dressings don't have.
All right, Eddie, so you're done, man?
Yeah, that's it.
What's the game plan? What's next?
We're gonna go on to our next appointment, text the customer, make sure we're on their way, and then we might be there a little early, but they don't mind, because I mean, the earlier the better.
So we're not gonna do the Mustang?
So the Mustang, they gotta leave right now because they gotta go tune it. They're gonna go dyno tune it on the street, and they're gonna close the shop right now. So
hey, it is what it is, man.
It is what it is. We'll come back tomorrow. We'll get it knocked out. So they just gotta put it back inside, and then we'll hit in the AM. They can hold off for a little bit.
Yeah.
Yeah. So.
All right. What you gonna try? You gonna try to knock it out in what? 5 minutes? 10 minutes?
We'll get it done in about 25 minutes.
It's that
hopefully
stereo.
time for them to get on and going, because they gotta go do, like I said, they gotta go do their thing. So
got you.
We'll get it knocked out.
All right, Eddie, what are we doing for this one?
So this one we're gonna do maintenance wash. So these guys repair the cars, they fix them up, and then I come here and do all their maintenance washes for them. And after they're done doing what they got to do, any performance mods, I come out here and they like to treat their customers with the wash before they go home, so they don't like to have their cars all dirty before the customer comes to pick them up. So they call me and I come and service their cars.
So this one, outside and inside?
So this one we're just doing the outside.
Okay.
Outside, because they did some motor work and they didn't want to touch the motor right now. So just this one's gonna be the outside for today.
So, Eddie, I heard on the street, man, you've been doing detailing from your house for about 5 years?
Yeah, I've been doing this for about 5 years.
And then you finally decided to go mobile, but you needed some working capital, right? You need to raise money.
Yeah, I had to sell 2 cars, 2 prized possessions, my babies. So
what were they? Tell us.
So I had a 2018 Dodge Charger Hellcat, and I had a 2019 Ford Mustang 5.0.
Dang, I feel the hurt, bro. I hear it in your voice.
Yeah, it hurt.
But why did you decide to sell it?
You know what? Sometimes you gotta lose things to gain stuff. So you just gotta, let go of your prized possessions to make a better life out of you.
Yeah. So you decided to sell your cars. You got this trailer right here?
Yeah, I bought this trailer.
How much did it cost you?
So all total, or just the trailer alone?
Whatever you want to take.
So I pretty much got about $17,000 invested in the trailer, and I still got more equipment at the house that I don't have, but I got about $25,000 in equipment that.
Dang, that's a big investment,
yeah, it's a
bro.
big investment, yeah.
All right, Eddie, so I see you going light on the wheels, man.
Yes, sir.
No chemicals, why?
No chemicals, just because the brand of the weld, the rim, you don't want to be you don't want to be having a potential stain on them, especially in direct sunlight. Yeah. Since we're mobile, you don't want to have any stains on the wheels or any type of chemical reaction, and you don't want to be at fault for really expensive wheels. So I'd rather play safe and have a customer complaint. So it's a lot of research.
Hey, but you're talking from experience.
Yes, sir.
What happened?
I had another detailer in the area.
Not you.
No, not me. Another detailer. Right, cool. I got a call to go and polish weld wheels because another detailer had sprayed the greaser on the welds in direct sunlight. And so what happened is they baked, so I had to go and polish them. I tried to get them the best I could, but once you spray any type of acid or any type of cleaner that's too strong in direct sunlight, the sun's gonna bake it. So you're gonna stain them, and after that, there's no way around it because there's no clear coat on that wheel. It's a bare aluminum.
So what ended up happening?
So I went there, checked them out, gave them a quote, buffed them out as best as I could, and I got a lot of the stains out, but a lot of etching and pitching inside the rim. So we just did the best we could. And I mean, the customer was happy, but I mean, that detailer lost some money because he had to replace the wheels.
Dang, for real?
Yeah, because I mean, sometimes you got some picky customers with expensive wheels, and I mean, either they pay to get them fixed by somebody else, or sometimes they have to end up getting new wheels or new rims for them.
All right, guys, there you have it. The homie Eddie right here knocked out 2 cars hella quick. Too quick, Eddie, but hey, you did your job. But Eddie, where can people give you a follow at, man?
On IG, CV Details.
All right. If you want to follow his journey, go show him some love on his Instagram. I'll put it in the description below. And if you like this detailing content, you want to see more, press the like button. Don't forget to subscribe. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye, everybody.